Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to fill your washer fluid in this BMW. The washer fluid reservoir is right here on the passenger side. What you're going to do is you're going to pull the cap by lifting right here. Take your washer fluid, I'm just going to pour it in. Be careful not to spill. And we'll fill it up. And when you're done, you just push the cap back down, just like that.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.